Hi, I'm Dr. Roadhouse, and I want to introduce Fred Lemons. Fred was in an automobile accident, and he came in for treatment, and he's all done with treatment now, so he's going to do a video for us. So, Fred, why don't you tell us, like, when you first came in, what you're feeling, what your symptoms were, what was bothering you, and then just do the course of treatment and how you're doing today.
When I first came in, I had a whiplash and a lower back injury. It was a pain in the shoulder. Now, through about 60 to 90 days of treatment, somewhere around 90 days, I feel 100% better, not having the pain that I had at any time. Everything seems to be going well, and the knots down in my neck, my hip's doing fine, and the lower back's doing great, and I have no problem.
Yeah, so he did real good. The secret is that Fred got in real quick after the accident too. So the more time that goes by, the ligaments, they stretch and they start healing with a cheaper grade of tissue, and then that's when patients, when the weather changes, they can say, "Oh, I can tell it's going to rain," because the good ligament that we were born with, stretches and contracts, and then the cheaper grade of tissue doesn't expand and contract as good. So that's why you can feel that. But if you get in quickly, get the adjustments, get the therapy that we did on you, I mean, where you're at right now was pretty close to where you were before the accident.
That's true. Totally true, because before the accident I didn't have the pains that I have after I got hit.
Yeah.
And I got hit hard.
Mm-hmm. Well, when you came in, you were hurting pretty good. I mean, you had a hard time just getting out of the chair and getting on the table. And, a lot of times we kind of forget how it was. You're just happy to be feeling good. And we almost get amnesia, where it's like, you don't even want to remember what it was like.
Well, when you're a little older, you don't heal as fast.
Right. Yeah, and I think it's right around 90 days, and you healed really good. So anyway, well, Fred, I appreciate you as a patient, and Fred was a great patient. He did all the home therapies that we asked him to. He made his appointments, and he avoided certain things that we talked to you about that could aggravate the condition, and that makes for a really great patient and great results, and that's what happened.
Well, I appreciate all the help that I've got, and the girls did a great job.
Thank you. Yeah, they're really good too. I'm very fortunate to have a fantastic staff, and we try to treat everybody like their family here.
You do, and I appreciate it, because getting in here on time makes it easier on them to have a schedule.
Mm-hmm.
And coming in late or keeping them advised of where we're at and what we're doing.
Mm-hmm. And also, if you noticed, a lot of times when you go to a doctor's office, almost every visit you got to sign in, then you got to sit, then you got to go to the other room and sit, stuff like that. And usually you're in and out within about 15 or 20 minutes and still got a good treatment.
Normally speaking, I wasn't here ever over 20 minutes.
Yeah. That's my pet peeve, is waiting. I hate to wait, so I don't want my patients to wait. All right, well, thank you very much, Fred. And so if you know anybody that's having any kind of a neck problem or hip problem, low back, whether it's from an auto accident or not, you can just call our office, or you can go to our website, Roadhouse Chiropractic, and we have a lot of information on there that you can make an informed decision as to whether you should be here or not. Look